Hi, I'm Art Evans, and I'm the CTO and Research Director at Multiscale Systems.
My name is Jesse Silverberg. I'm CEO and Research Director at Multiscale Systems.
So geothermal renewable energy right now is more important than it ever has been, and the high cost of developing a geothermal well is a huge barrier to unlocking these natural resources. So the opportunities that we see come from lowering the cost of access to these resources. So at Multiscale Systems, we use metamaterial engineering, and specifically for geothermal applications, we design products that accommodate thermal expansion in deep geothermal wells, and this reduces the failure in casing and increases ultimate well longevity.
Oil and gas majors are experts in drilling petrochemical wells, but as they push into deeper and hotter regions, the equipment they use is going to fail with increasing rates, and that's going to be a very frustrating cost driver.
So a metamaterial, so if you think about a regular material, any material that's conventional is made from atoms. If you wanted to have a metamaterial, you take that particular material and you layer on top of it some level of geometric complexity. So if you wanted to think about corrugated cardboard or honeycomb that's used in aerospace, you wouldn't be far off.
Previous to the American-made challenge, we were already working on developing mechanical metamaterials for geothermal technologies. When we came across the geothermal challenge, we realized that there was a tremendous opportunity to leverage the knowledge that we had already generated for another use case in this industry.
I mean, in general, we like to think about metamaterials as being agnostic to the conventional material that it's made out of. So there's applications in transportation, aerospace, defense, infrastructure for building materials.
Our goal is to make geothermal as big and as impactful as solar power has been.
10, 15, 20 years from now, I would like to see our designs and products incorporated into either existing wells or deep geothermal wells, which can't exist right now because the technology is not there.
Frankly, from our perspective, we see the competition as a means for us to introduce ourselves to our customers, those majors that we're competing with, and to ultimately succeed together by integrating our technology into their systems by the end of the next few years.